Joshimath will take around 8 to 9 hours more, so I think today we can't reach Joshimath. So we will try to return to Rishikesh and start our journey again tomorrow. So yesterday we had our stay in Vyashi. So right now it's 5 in the morning. Today we will again attempt for Joshimath. The construction of the roads remain closed till 8:30. So till 8:30 we will try to reach as far as possible. But let's see.
Wild frontier, morning light, and all that follows. In the sun, in the storm, it's all or nothing. Here with you.
We are in Devprayag right now. We can hear the prayers and the sun is rising there. It looks so beautiful.
It waits to be discovered. Every moment filled with wonder. Oh, we know what we were meant for. This great adventure.
कैसा है?
ये भी वही है नमकीन मटर Cheers.
Door, a new beginning leads us on to something more. It's never ending. In the doubt, in the rain, in the hesitation. Here with you, I have faith. We're gonna.
Right now we are in Chantikal where we will be having some breakfast. So in the morning in Devprayag we could see the Alaknanda and the Ganga river meets. So it was a very beautiful view.
Guys, as you can see here, it's quite chilly. I don't really know what the temperature is here. We are on our way to Joshimath. Just crossed Srinagar, not the one in Jammu, but the one in Uttarakhand. It was a really nice place. As you can see here, this is the Alaknanda river right here. Flows down and it meets Ganga at Devprayag. We had also crossed Devprayag very early in the morning when we had departed. So right now we are heading up towards Joshimath. It's still around 150 kilometers I'm guessing from here, and it's gonna be a lot more pull. So let's see how it goes.
Yes, it's our second attempt to Joshimath. We tried last night but we couldn't reach Joshimath. So again we are trying today, but as we started early, we have nearly reached approximately still 100 kilometers are left. So let's see.
This great adventure, world it waits to be discovered. Every moment filled with wonder. Oh, we know what we were meant for. This great adventure. This great adventure. Just take it. There's no reason we should waste it. Oh, oh, oh. There's no mistaking when the sunlight's calling. Ready now for all that's coming. Oh, oh, oh. We're standing at the edge of all that lies ahead.
We just reached Karnaprayag, and this is the meeting place of two rivers, Pintarganga and Alaknanda. Hopefully we will reach Joshimath by 2 or 3 hours. Traveling to Joshimath itself is a challenge because it's almost 500 kilometers from Delhi airport, and it's been a tough journey for us. So last night we stayed at Vyasi, and as we are going up we have 80 kilometers to reach Joshimath.
I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way.
Finally guys, we are only just 2 kilometers to Joshimath after such a hectic journey which started yesterday. After so many cutting shutting, हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं अभी 2 ही किलोमीटर है और यहाँ से तो बर्फ़ की चोटियाँ दिख ही रहे हैं. सो रियली एक्साइटेड. होपफुली ये पूरी ट्रिप जाके एकदम अच्छे से एक जगह पे जाके ख़त्म हो. सो अभी हम लोग का और दोस्त है स्टीफेन.
স্টিফেন কেমন লাগছে?
খুব ভালো লাগছে.
কিন্তু স্টিফেনের মধ্যে সেই স্টিফেন ভাবটাই থেকে গেছে. আমার একটু ঘুমানোর জায়গা পেলে ঘুমিয়ে পড়বে.
হ্যাঁ ঘুমাতে তো হয়েছে কেন অনেকটা লম্বা জার্নি. সো ইন বিটুইন যে পারবে ঘুমাতে সে ঘুমিয়ে নেবে, নাহলে ইউ উইল ফিল ভেরি মাচ টায়ার্ড অ্যান্ড দ্য জার্নি উইল বি মোর হেক্টিক ফর ইউ গাইস.
সো ট্যাগলাইন বি লাইক স্টিফেন.
I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like
So we have reached Joshimath. Like there are snow-covered mountains all around, and right now we are staying at the GMVN Nursing Tourist Complex. So tomorrow we will try to go to Oli. So right now some national games are going on. So we are not sure if we can visit Oli or not, but we'll definitely try. We were not aware of the games. We will try skiing there, and maybe we'll try some adventure sports over there. But let's see.
take it, open up your arms, embrace it. Oh,
So it's around 6:30. So we are outside right now. Maybe we will do some shopping, or maybe we will have some food. So it's literally freezing over here. Like the temperature is around 2 degrees Celsius. So let me show you one thing.
নিজের মুখে করে কয়েকটা কাগজ আনলো, কাগজে ওখানে ফেললো, ওখানে কয়েকটা লোক একটু আগুন ধরিয়ে গেছে.
Saurabh, how it is feeling?
Oh my god, it's freezing cold. It's 1 degree centigrade.
I think we got it, the life we wanted. It feels like everything is going our way. I think we made it after all the waiting. It feels like everything is going our way.
So we are ready for skiing. We will go up there and we'll try some skiing.